Hello everyone, my name is Lavis Motekula. I'm from Indonesia Education Study Program 4th semester. Here I will present to you about the grammar for TOEFL course, especially simple present tense. What do you think about the simple present tense? Simple present tense is habits or fact, and how you can convey your feeling this moment. Okay, everyone, the way you choose or you answer the question from number 1 until number 10, you must follow the rules. Choose the most appropriate answer to complete each sentence using the simple present tense, and then pay attention to the subject and the correct verb from. Let's start to discuss number 1. Here I have the question. My brothers always blah blah coffee in the morning. A. Drink. B. Drinks. C. Drink. D. Drinking. I chose part B. Why? Because part B explain the my brothers is as the third person. Why I didn't choose the part A? Because part A explain the best form incorrect for third person. Why don't I choose the C? Because C more free to use past tense. And why I don't choose the part B? Because drinking more better than Jeremy. Next, number 2. C blah blah to the office every day by bus. A. Go. B. Goes. C. Goes. D. Boy. I chose part B. Why? Because C the sentence goes explain the use the subject C to reverse the verb with C or es. Why I don't choose part A? Because part A use with IUVD, and then why part C don't I chose? Because part C most past participle, and the last part D why I don't choose? Because part D more better than past continue. Next, number 3. They usually blah blah lunch at 12 p.m. A has, B have, C have, D have. I chose part B because have explain the they as a subject plural. Why I don't choose has? Because has as a subject singular. And why don't choose have? Because have explain or better than to use past tense. And why don't choose having? Because having more better to form continue tense. Next, number 4. The cat blah blah under the table every afternoon. A. Sleep. B. Sleeps. C. Sleep. D. Sleeping. I chose part B. Sleeps. Why? Because sleeps as the singular or a third person singular. Why I don't choose part A? Because best form singular subject. And then why don't just choose the C? Because sleep is the past tense or better than to part past tense. D. Sleeping. Why I don't choose? Because sleeping not in the simple present tense. Number 5. Do you blah blah English every A, follow the do or does. We always use the best form on the verb, especially study. And then why I choose part B? Because part B mostly or incorrect to use after do. And then why I don't choose part C, studied? Because in part C not make sense to part simple present tense. And the last one part D incorrect because studied is better than to use continuous verb or not. Next, number 6. The baby always blah blah when she is happy. Part A cry, part B cries, part C cry, part D crying. I chose part B because cries is explain the baby is third person singular. In the simple present, we add C or ES to the verb since cry ends in correct, others incorrect because part A cry best form incorrect the verb, the third person singular. Why part C incorrect? Because part C no mentions here, and cry mostly present participle not used in the simple. Okay. Next, number 7. What time blah blah the move usually start? A do, B does, C is, D is. I chose part B does because in simple present question for third person singular or the move use the does, and then the mind verb stays in best form start. And then why other incorrect? Because part A used for IUVD, not the move. Why part C is because verb of to be, not used with action. And then part D incorrect because not mentions is for usually. Don't usually blah blah when they hear loud noises. A bar, B bar. Number 10. Don't usually blah blah when they hear loud noises. A bar, B barks, C barking, D barking. I chose part A because A explain the dance is a plural subject. In the simple present, plural subject use the best form of the verb is about. Why other incorrect? Because part B verbs usually use only with a singular subject, and the C especially participle verb not used in the simple present, and the last part D better than two part